love what we do.
Yes.
It's a passion.
It is.
It's a passion.
And it's always evolving.
It started in Brooklyn, New York, around our dining room table. My mom was teaching cake decorating classes to all the people who wanted to learn. And then we moved into the back of my dad's pharmacy, and she started selling supplies and teaching classes.
The wackiest thing is having cake supplies in the back of a cosmetic store. You know, walking into seeing a storefront with toothpaste, shaving cream, lipsticks, and then all of a sudden sugar, cakes, cake pans, you know, it's pretty wacky.
Wacky in
That's probably
Rockefeller
why
Center.
people walked in to begin with, like,
Yeah.
what is going on in this place? So in 1989 was when we took our own store here on 22nd Street, and that's where my mom ran the school with Jenny, and I ran the store. And now it turned around. Now I run the school and my mom and Jenny run the store. And that's what keeps things interesting, just constantly changing. It's amazing to see the neighborhood change, and now it's so vibrant and busy. And we used to have a buzzer on our door and
Exactly.
buzz people in.
In
We were
89.
scared to death.
There was no street
No
traffic.
We're like in the hot spot now, so it's super cool.
Yes.
What makes us happy is helping people every single day, whether it's in the store, helping customers, giving them advice, or whether it's teaching people in the school how to bake for their families or for their restaurants. Every day is a happy day here at New York Cake. This right now is our dream come true.
If you would have asked me 5 years ago, I would have never imagined this happening.
Yes.
Ever. From where we started to where we came, we weren't necessarily businesswomen. We were all basically housewives, moms. You know, we just made cakes for our friends and our family and just did it because we loved it. Just never thought it'd be a vibrant business, and we now have our own product line. When we had the opportunity to have a new space and we were showed the space, that's when we
when it
had the
started.
thought and said, oh wow, you know something? We can actually do something big here. We can
Right.
have a cafe, we can teach classes, and we can sell products. This is amazing. And that's when the idea was born a year ago.
We're all very different
Right.
personalities.
Yes.
We have different strengths, different weaknesses, completely different. But we all complement each other very well.
Exactly.
I'm thrilled to work with my sister again. I haven't worked with my sister since I'm 20 years old. We grew up together working in the store.
True.
And this is the first time that I'm working with her again, and I'm so happy.
It's a wonderful thing to come back together, work all of us together, and now start a new journey.
The business
So it's
really
a
brought
joy.
us back together, and we
Exactly.
see each other every single day. It's like, it's the best of both worlds.
Woman power. Have a sweet day.